So I am Jay Myers. I am the Vice President responsible for Business Development and Consulting Services at McKesson Canada. Very excited to be here today to talk to the future of customer-facing deployment. This is a topic that is near and dear to my heart. My career has kind of lived at the crossroads of technology, data, and people. Specifically the customers that prescribe and use the medications that we all make. And so I'm very eager to introduce to you today the group of panelists who will talk to us a little bit about what that future looks like. I think there will be some very interesting tidbits and a little bit of prognostication, perhaps. But first, let me start by talking very quickly about my organization, McKesson Canada. Most of you, like me, probably knew McKesson as an organization that moved your product from point A to point B. But I'm very excited to talk about how McKesson Canada has really diverged away from just being a distribution organization, and has done so for many years now, and in fact is one of the leaders in investing in the future of healthcare in this country. We have a global mandate around investing in driving better health outcomes for patients, better working environments for healthcare professionals, and we are making significant strides towards changing the landscape in Canada for the better with regards to the way that healthcare evolves in this country. And this is a time of dramatic evolution, and our mandate is to be part of that. So whether it be from the perspective of distribution, whether it be our retail pharmacy strategy, our specialty strategy, where I live and breathe, we are making significant investments into the likes of predictive analytics, unique data sets, bringing forward unique tools for physicians and healthcare professionals, for pharmacists that interact in a meaningful way with their work process and do not take them away from that work process to create a task, complete that task, and then move them back into the work process, which is inefficient and disruptive. So we are spending a lot of time, energy, and making significant investments into new technologies and new services that are going to drive the way that our specialty pharmacists, our retail pharmacists, our contact center workers interact with you guys or interact directly with healthcare professionals to create a new type of interaction, a new type of service level that really drives healthcare forward. So I'm excited about that. I'm excited to be a part of it. And if you have questions with regards to the innovative stuff that we're doing, please come and see me, or I think there are about 6 of us here today. Come and speak to my colleagues about some of the things that we're working on. So let me talk to you very quickly about the panel that we have here today. To my left, I have Kevin Lashuk, David Renwick, and Catherine Rice. Kevin is the Vice President and General Manager at Celgene. David is the General Manager at Adept Pharma, and Catherine is Vice President of Sales at Roche Canada. And they are going to talk to you about the future of customer interactions in this country. So first I'm going to hand it over to Kevin, who's going to take a moment to talk about what's in a title, an interesting conversation about the roles that are leading us into the future in this country. Thank you so much.